Hey guys, it's Tyler here again. So we're gonna be going from um, a gas station down to a smoothie shop that's about 22 miles away, and we're gonna do that on version 14.3.3, which I just got. So we'll go ahead and do that. I'll just enter in my code, and then we'll start off. So it's already breaking for that person. I'm curious why it didn't go the other way, but that's all right. Um, all right, let's see. Okay, kind of interesting that it went out this way, but it is what it is, I guess. Because now, if I had gone out the other way, I could have turned left there, but now I can only go right. So I'm wondering if it's gonna do a U-turn here. Oop. Alright, that was a little bit jerk there. But I'm curious what it's going to do. Because I think it should have gone back the other way. That's what I would have done if I was driving, but I'm not the one driving, so I'm up to the whatever it decides to do. Okay, it looks like, are we gonna be doing a U-turn? Because it says on the navigation that it doesn't want me to turn until later. So, looks like, I guess we are doing a U-turn here. That's alright. As long as there's nothing coming. Alright, I think after these two vehicles, we'll do the U-turn maybe. Alright, you better hurry up and do it. Alright. Oh, I was supposed to clean my windshield off. Oh well, when I was at the gas station, I was gonna clean my windshield off, but I never did that. Oh, I'll do it later today then. Alright, gonna get over here. I do have it in the standard profile setting. That's typically what I drive in. Sometimes I will go up to hurry or down to chill mode, just depending on where I'm at and what's all going on. So we're getting up to speed. It's 65 miles per hour here for the speed limit. I don't know if any stretch of this is 70 miles per hour or not. It might be. I guess we'll find out here. Okay, so it is 65. And my car is going a little faster than that, which is fine because most people go do a little faster. So I'll open up that driving stats app again. So my streak currently is 14.7, just for today. And then I have that 1 day streak. It doesn't do anything. So I have that 1 day streak there. And then, yeah, so I have driven over 3,000 miles this month. So I am curious what all the energy app is showing me. So since last charge, let's look at that. So it's been 30 minutes. And I've driven 15 miles. Yeah, see, so I'm doing 69 right now, and that car just passed me, which I'm fine with. It doesn't bother me any. I know some people are like, oh, he passed me. I don't care. I have all the patience in the world that I need. Well, can you zoom in on that? No. Can't really do anything there. Let's see what current drive's like. So you can see all that there. It looks like there's a reset button there, which I'm not going to press because I don't want to. And you still have all these tabs too. I need every 10 mile here. I'm curious what full self-driving is going to do when I get home because my driveway and garage are set up a little weird. My driveway is only a little over a car's length wide, and then we have a 2-car garage, but because of the way the driveway is, for where I park, you kind of got to go at an angle like that. So that'll be interesting. That might end my streaks. Just going in, and it can back out of my garage, but I don't think it can go in. Most of the time, it just tries to go straight forward, and it stops in the middle of my driveway. But I don't know. We'll see. I guess. Kind of hoping that it figures it out that it needs to turn and go to the left a little bit in order to get into my garage door. Because we have 2 separate garage doors on our garage. So I'll just have that there. Then let's see. So I don't think anything's changed here. Still have all the same profiles. How you want to park, it'll be a parking lot. and everything else. I am curious though with the how many businesses there are along this little strip where it's gonna park, because I've had it try to park um, in businesses next door that aren't a part, of the tropical smoothie cafe. Um, and usually at that point, I'll take over. I guess I can look at what the map has and see if that'll change anything. Okay, so it has me going right there. So in theory, it should park in that parking lot, but I've had it try to park over in here before too. So here's this diverging diamond that they have going on here. So it's like a crisscross kind of traffic pattern. Some people love them, some people hate them. Now we need to get over in that right lane. Not the far right, but just this right straight lane here. Is there? Yeah, so it's gonna have us get over. Okay, right now. And then up here, I'm wondering what it's gonna do because it's gonna turn here. I don't know if you can see the sign or not, but it's up here. So I've had it try to park in the business next door into their parking lot. But hopefully it'll park in the smoothie place's parking lot. I guess we'll find out. This is gonna turn right here, even though they have their own thing. So let's see what it does. Yeah, see, it's gonna park here, which I don't understand why. Nope. Alright, let's try that again. Wonder what happens if I tap there and put it in. Because I don't want to try to ruin my streak. See, so it says 100 feet, but I don't know, let's try it. I'm curious what it's gonna do. Okay, see that this time it's figuring it out, right? Nope. Alright, let's drop the pin right here and see what it does. So there goes my streak, but whatever. See, now if you drop the pin there, it'll do it. Oh well. That was weird. I knew it was probably going to do something like that. Alright, well, I'll leave it at that for today. Alright, thanks for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.